The episode starts with Yumna saying Malhar Sarkar cannot see anyone else than Devi Ahilya and Yuvraj Khanderao. You have Sita, Gunoji and me. Dwarka Bai holds her hand. Yamuna says, Malhar Sarkar is getting someone's spy on Dhannaji. You go and tell Dhannaji. He will get alert. If Tukoji gets anything against him, then he is gone. Dwarka Bai says, No way. I will never cheat my husband. Yamuna Bai says, No. Dhannaji got a chance to solve the problem and do good for Malwa. Then Malhar Sarkar will be happy. Gangoba says, I have called the Ved to tell us about the real situation of Limbodi village. Vedji comes. Malhar Sarkar asks him the cause of epidemic. Ved says, I have checked the grains. It's right, as old Ved told us. The faulty grains are the reason. Malhar Sarkar says, Tukoji should get the update from Shyamji. Gangoba says, Shyamji has gone out for some family issue. Tukoji and Shyamji come. Dwarkabai says, I do not want the guards to know that I am going to Limbodi. I will tell them later. Harkubai stops her and says, Gotma Bai Sahib is calling you. The man has come to sell the saris. Gotma Rani Sahib does not shop for any festival without you. Come soon. She goes. Yamuna Bai asks Dwarka Rani Sahib not to worry. She says, We do not know if Harkubai heard our talk or not. Malhar Sarkar asks Syamji about the mixing in the grains. Syamji says, No way. We get the best grains. Malhar Sarkar asks Gangoba to go to the storeroom and check the grains quality himself. Gangoba goes. Malhar Sarkar says, I want to go to Limbodi myself to meet my people and share their sorrow. The ladies are soaping saris. Gotma Rani Sahib asked Dwarka what happened to her. He should wear dark clothes. It suits her. Dwarka says, I forgot. How is this? Gotma Rani Sahib says, It's good. Dwarka says, I have some work. I will go now. She shows a sari for Sita. Gotma Rani Sahib says, It's very nice. She is our daughter. We will buy more saris for her. Dwarka tries to leave. Gotma Rani Sahib asks, Where are you trying to go? You want to tell Dhannaji about Malhar Sarkar plan? Dwarka Bai looks at Harkubai. Gotma Rani Sahib says, No one told me. I have heard it myself. You are a queen. You are from a royal family. You should know that a king's talks should not go out. You were going to tell this to someone else. Dwarkabai says, Dhannaji is my samdhi. Gotma Rani Sahib says, there would be a big reason if Malar Sarkar had hid this thing. Dwarka Bai cries and says, I gave birth to a daughter. What is my daughter's fault in this? Gangoba sees the grains. Shamji says, I am not doing so disgusting to change the grains. Gangoba says, Malhar Sarkar will never forgive the person doing this. Dwarka Bai argues with Gotma Rani Sahib. She praises Gunnuji. She says, Gunnuji was not considered for becoming the heir. Is this justice? It hurts me a lot, seeing that my son in law is elder in age and experience. He is not called capable of any work. I feel hurt. If I go to do something for my daughter and son in law, then am I wrong? No, you all are wrong. Gotma Rani Sahib consoles her. She says, I know you love this family a lot. We all also love Sita. She makes Dwarka Bai smile. She says, Do not think Sita has no place in this house. Sita, Gunnoji, and Dhannaji would not get insulted or harmed. Malhar Sarkar can never imagine to do this. She says, Dhannaji does not need to get scared if he is innocent. She hugs Dwarkabai. Dwarkabai thinks, I also doubt his sincerity. Malhar Sarkar comes back. Tukoji says, the grains in the storeroom is not faulty. Malhar Sarkar says, it means someone is mixing the faulty grains on the way. I have to meet the village sarpanch. A man looks on.